The Amazon FBA program, or Fulfillment by Amazon, is a simple and effective way for you to grow your online business without spending thousands of dollars on storage facilities and staff. You ship your products to one of Amazon's warehouses. Amazon stores your items securely in its warehouses. Consumers buy your products and Amazon manages the entire process, from billing to inventory updates. Amazon packages and ships the order to the customer. Amazon handles the rest of the customer service, including returns and refunds. Amazon notifies you when your inventory is depleted and asks you to replenish it if necessary. All you have to do is send your goods to a warehouse and collect your payments. How much does the Amazon FBA program cost? You can get this program for $39.99 per month, plus the sales fee. Amazon's rates for the FBA service are not free, but the price is reasonable and the savings on shipping costs are considerable. Amazon FBA is not the only solution. Whether you choose Amazon FBA or another shipping company, this video will help you decide whether or not Amazon FBA seller status is right for you.
This video was made in partnership with Helium 10. Helium 10 is considered the best, most comprehensive tool for Amazon FBA today. Most of Amazon's biggest sellers also use Helium 10. Don't trust your instincts, your intuition, or the words of pseudo-coaches who have failed on Amazon. Trust only the numbers and Helium 10's powerful analytics tools. Find winning products in minutes, profitable products with high demand and low competition. Let's face it, it's getting harder and harder to identify lucrative products with few competitors. With Helium 10 and its intelligent filters, discover unsuspected products in seconds, based on your exact needs, niche, and preferences. Don't get crushed by the big brands in Amazon's search results. Optimize your ads to appear and stay on the first page of Amazon. Gain weeks of search time. Helium 10's SEO tools instantly list the best keywords, as well as the best way to write your headlines, bulleted lists, and product descriptions. In the description of this video, you will find a link to Helium 10 and 2 discount codes. Get 20% off your first 6 months of subscription now, or 10% off for life. Subscribe to Helium 10 today and get immediate, impressive results with Helium 10's powerful tools.
Use Amazon's prestige to your advantage. Amazon is trusted by customers around the world. Amazon is a name, a reputation, and a strong following. Customers know they will receive the product they ordered. They also know they can return it if necessary. This has a significant impact on purchase intent. By joining the Amazon FBA program, you are joining a winning team. By using Amazon FBA, you can take advantage of Amazon rather than trying and failing in the competition. Make extremely fast deliveries. Amazon's unique online shopping system allows for faster processing and delivery. As a result, you can deliver goods to your customers faster than ever before, without significant additional costs. Increase your ranking and popularity on Amazon. If you use the Amazon FBA program, your products will appear higher in search results. Increase your chances of getting the buy box. An Amazon FBA seller is more likely to win the buy box compared to sellers who ship themselves or use another carrier. Offer your customers free shipping. If your customers are Amazon Prime members, they will get free shipping on your products. This gives you a clear advantage over sellers who don't use Amazon FBA. Reduce your operating costs. With Amazon FBA, you don't have to worry about storage, staffing, or bureaucracy. You can focus solely on your bottom line. With Amazon FBA, you have the ability to reduce shipping costs in a way that only a large company can. Also benefit from the flexibility of working with Amazon FBA. As an Amazon FBA provider, you can set up shop or travel anywhere in the world and still generate a steady stream of revenue. Amazon FBA can fulfill all your orders in your absence 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Delegate your customer service to Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA handles customer service, communication, and even returns and exchanges. With Amazon FBA, you reduce your administrative staffing needs.
The advantages of Amazon FBA are obvious, especially if you have little or no infrastructure to deliver and manage your customer service. Despite these many advantages, Amazon FBA does have some drawbacks. Amazon FBA leads to increased returns. Amazon prioritizes the customer experience and touts its easy returns process. As a result, you may see an increase in your return rate. Damaged product returns are poorly compensated. In the case of damaged product returns, only half the price of the product is usually refunded. This can lead to financial losses. The products in the buy box are mixed. The products are sorted by type. Thus, all identical products delivered by different suppliers are mixed together. Therefore, customers may not receive the products you delivered to the Amazon warehouse, but those from other suppliers selling the same products as you. You have no direct contact with your customers. While it's convenient that Amazon handles customer service for FBA users, this means you won't be able to actively target these customers in the future to contact them. This is because Amazon retains their information, such as the customer's name, shipping address, and email address. This makes it difficult to retain your customers. You are faced with strict regulations and high standards. You still have to package, label and ship your products to an Amazon warehouse and use their ASIN barcode system, which can be inconvenient for some small business owners. It's difficult to showcase your brand. If you ask your customers who they bought your product from, they usually mention Amazon, not your brand. This makes the Amazon FBA program a great sales option in many cases, but it also has drawbacks, big and small, that you need to be aware of. This is why online retailers are increasingly looking for alternative solutions. These alternative solutions are often used as a second storage and delivery method next to the services of Amazon FBA. In this way, you can reduce the dependency on Amazon while maintaining contact with your customers, offering a better service and promoting your company's brand.
But what are the alternatives to Amazon FBA? There are two alternatives: FBM and 3PL, and FBM and in-house execution. Here's the first Amazon FBM and 3PL alternative. Amazon's Fulfilled by Merchant service, known as FBM, allows sellers to market items through the Amazon platform without using Amazon FBA services. This means that online sellers manage order processing themselves. In most cases, the services of 3PL companies are used for this purpose. 3PL stands for Third-Party Logistics Provider. A 3PL provider takes over a more or less important part of your customer's logistics. This outsourcing concerns, in particular, the management of stocks and transport. This alternative method allows sellers to be more flexible and less dependent on Amazon. Combining the FBM method with a 3PL company is therefore the solution that combines the best of both worlds. In addition, other sales channels can be integrated. And now the second alternative: Amazon FBM and in-house execution. It is also possible to manage the execution of the logistics in-house. In this case, you take care of the storage and your deliveries. This solution is particularly suitable for small sales volumes. However, if the sales volume increases, most sellers quickly realize that automating order fulfillment can be a good idea. It is therefore recommended to outsource logistics to experts when the number of monthly shipments exceeds 100 units. In this way, the efficiency of the execution and the speed of delivery are optimized. This frees up resources in e-commerce companies while increasing customer satisfaction.
We hope you have learned a lot about the Amazon FBA program. If you want to learn more about how Amazon FBA works, I invite you to subscribe to our channel to be informed when our next videos are released, so that you too can create your own business and start making money fast on the internet. In the meantime, I invite you to click here to watch this new video and to follow a new training completely free.